if you let me hold you tight. But I don't know if you let me in, yeah. I know you had your heart broken one too many times, and now it's time for you to open up. They have been cruel to you, saying things they don't mean.
Ang saya ng tubig! Ang sarap-sarap ng tubig!
Hello! Welcome to Basilan!
It's another adventure this time, and right now nandito tayo sa medyo bagong pasyalan dito sa Basilan. We are actually at Lower Mangas, Lantawan, Basilan, at ito yung tinatawag nilang Blue Beach. So nandito tayo sa taas ng helicopter, no? Nilipad na tayo ngayon agad. So tingnan natin ang ganda ng lugar ito. See you later! Guys, sumasay na agad. Subay guys. Mag-entrance na siya dun guys. Mag-spill na sana ako. Tapos subay man guys. Nagad kayo ito sa musin. By the way guys, mula wait ka lang. Sinigat gusto talaga lang. Nandito pala ang mga mga langga. Hindi na ako ipaano niya. Pasalita. Kasi madami dito doon sa magdiretso. Hindi ako ipasalita guys. Naghanap pa noy subay. Subay guys. Subay mo dira. Subay mo for sale. Pamain po ng subay, pamain. Andun na sila. Punta tayo doon. So, hi guys! Kanina nakita din nasa helicopter tayo, no? Pero actually, nasa dagat talaga tayo. I am actually here together with my JCI Metro Basilan family. Nandito tayo ngayon with JCI Basilenia and JCI Basilan kasi ginagawa namin ang coastal and underwater cleanup drive for this year. So, they're actually already starting there. At syempre, tara, no? Magpulot mo tayo ng mga basura bago ang vlog-vlog. So, tara guys, sama niyo ako. So guys, so diba? So andito naman may bisita tayo. Andito ang aking pamangkin slash former student si Dave. So last time yung sa Tulip Garden, nandun din yung siya. Ano talaga, tinadhana.
May throwback ma.
Diba? So ngayon nandito ulit siya. May kasama ka bang mga? So it's a Sunday at madaming tao ngayon. Medyo normal dito, no? Walang hindi uso ang COVID dito.
Hindi uso yung COVID.
Hindi uso ang COVID dito. So guys, balik muna tayo sa ating coastal cleanup, no? Kasi napag-iwanan na tayo. At andun na sila. Tadan! Tura na sila. So manabang sa amin. So okay guys, nandito na tayo sa ating cleanup, no? Puro tayo ng basura. Basura na sila.
Your heart broken one too many times, and now it's time for you to open up. They have been cruel to you, saying things they don't mean. They have been rude to you.
Ang laki naman ito.
Disrespect how you feel, but baby I'll never go that far, 'cause I know better than that. So baby, let me hold you. I wanna show you.
Kwanto kuya? Hello kuya, pila ni kuya tanan kuya?
450 lang.
450. Yung isa, magkano? 1, 2, 3. Asa na to ang clams? 450 tanan? Anong oras na? Lunch na? Lunch na to? Let's eat guys! Wala na din tuyo. Adobo ni tatag. Adobo ni tatag.
Panjo kaon.
Sa pang mga Tadaan!
What's in my plate?
Hello.
Baby, let me hold you, hold you. I wanna show you, show you, show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Let me show you what love is and why it's beautiful. Just put your body on top of mine, yeah. I won't treat you the same way as other girls who have no shame. No, I die for you. They have been cruel to you.
So guys, masaya ang tubig, as in, ang ganda ng ng sun. As in ano talaga siya, sun talaga guys. Ang saya, ang sarap sa mga paa, as in like nakapaa lang talaga kami guys. Look. Ang saya. So guys, nandito yung mga kasama namin sa JCI. Ang saya ng tubig.
Ang sarap-sarap ng tubig. Hello! We're enjoying it.
Oh, di ba?
Come one, come all.
Come visit Kutlangas. Oh, may pasyo. This is RVP.
Hi! Hello, maganda talaga ang Blue Beach.
Oh,
Kaya
diba?
bumisita na kayo dito.
Yes, sister.
Hello! Welcome to Basilan.
Welcome to Basilan. Ang saya. So may kami dito, pa-drone war with Sir Marlon. JCI, Basilan President 2021.
They have been cruel to you, saying things they don't mean. They have been rude to you, disrespect how you feel. But baby, I'll never go that far, 'cause I know better than that. So baby, let me hold you, hold you. I wanna show you, show you, show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Treat you right, treat you right. Treat you right, treat you right. Yeah, I would never ever let you go. I would treat you right, treat you right. Baby, I would always hold you close. So baby, let me hold you, hold you. I wanna show you, show you, show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right, treat you right.
So hi guys, at this moment ay nandito si Jubaira, ang sikat na vlogger, tausog vlogger ng Holo. So, lapitan natin siya guys. Hi Jubaira! Tayo. Like, Moira, it's like, so yun guys. Magko-closing spell na pala ako dapat, no? Pero biglang may interruption. Hello mga laagans, that's it for today's episode of our video. So ang daming ganap sa buhay ngayon ni Maisang Laagan, from coastal cleanup drive, tapos nauwi sa swimming sa dagat, tapos favorite ko pala yung pagpalipad ng drone papunta doon sa island. Papunta doon sa island, Balatonay Island, and unexpectedly ay na-meet namin si Jubaira, ang famous vlogger, di ba? So, ewan ko si Tatat. Ay, Tatat! Closing pa ta diri. So, I hope you have enjoyed this video, at hindi ko talaga alam kung sana ma-upload ko to at ma-edit ko to. That's it for today mga laagans. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Please like and share and subscribe to Maestrang Laagan. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts, Instagram, Facebook page, and TikTok. It's all Maestrang Laagan. Bye for today mga laagans. See you on my next vlog. Bye!